Imagine if you could completely change your life in just 1 week. It might sound impossible, but the secret lies in building the right habits. Small, consistent actions can make a big difference, and that's what we're going to explore today. In this video, we're sharing 7 simple habits that, if practiced every day, have the power to transform your life in just 7 days. These aren't complicated routines or time-consuming tasks. They're easy, practical changes you can start right away to improve your energy, mindset, and overall well-being. From boosting your mood with cold showers to finding clarity through meditation, each habit is designed to bring positive results quickly. We'll walk you through exactly why each habit matters, how to do it, and what kind of changes you can expect by the end of the week. So, if you're ready to give your life a little upgrade and take on this challenge, let's dive in and start making those powerful, life-changing shifts one day at a time. Number 1. Start your day with cold showers. Cold showers may sound intimidating, but they can be a game changer for your morning routine. When you step into a cold shower, the sudden chill wakes up your body, gets your blood flowing, and even boosts your mood. This is because cold water shocks your system in a good way, causing your body to release endorphins, chemicals that make you feel happier and more energized. Think of it as nature's coffee. Starting your day with a cold shower doesn't mean you have to jump straight into icy water. If you're used to warm showers, you can ease into it. Start with your usual warm shower, then switch to cold for just 30 seconds at the end. Each day, try to stay under the cold water a little longer. Focus on breathing deeply while the cold water hits you. It helps you stay calm and manage the initial shock. Over time, it becomes easier, and you might even start looking forward to it. Within a week, you'll notice some surprising benefits. Your energy levels will be higher in the mornings, your mood will improve, and you'll feel mentally tougher. It's a small habit that makes you step outside your comfort zone every day, and that alone helps build resilience. Cold showers aren't just about the physical benefits. They also train your mind to handle discomfort and take on challenges. So start tomorrow. Give cold showers a try and see how it transforms the way you start your day. It might be cold, but it's definitely worth it. Number 2. Practice daily gratitude. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can develop, and it can start transforming your life in just a week. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This small change in perspective can make a big difference. It helps you recognize the good things in your life, no matter how small, and appreciate them more deeply. Research shows that gratitude can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even improve your overall well-being. It's a small habit that leads to big results. To make gratitude a daily practice, start by writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. It doesn't have to be anything grand, just something you genuinely appreciate. It could be as simple as a sunny day, a good meal, or a kind word from a friend. You can do this in the morning to set a positive tone for the day or at night to reflect on the day's moments. If writing isn't your style, you can take a few moments to think about these things instead. The key is to be consistent, even if it only takes a minute or 2. After a week of daily gratitude, you'll notice a shift in how you see the world. You'll start looking for the good in every situation and appreciating the little things you used to overlook. It's a habit that helps you cultivate a more positive mindset and makes it easier to handle life's challenges. Give it a try and see how focusing on the good each day can start to change your life. Number 3. Follow a 10-minute morning stretch routine. Starting your day with a simple 10-minute morning stretch can make a big difference in how you feel. Stretching helps wake up your body and get your blood flowing, which can boost your energy and mood. It's like giving your muscles a gentle nudge to start the day. When you stretch, you're also working on your flexibility and reducing tension in your muscles. This is especially important if you sit for long periods or feel stiff after sleeping. To get started, find a quiet spot where you can stretch comfortably. You don't need any special equipment, just a mat or soft surface will do. Begin with a few simple stretches. Reach your arms overhead and take a deep breath, feeling your body stretch upwards. Next, lean to one side, holding the stretch for a few seconds, and then switch to the other side. You can also try touching your toes to stretch your back and legs. Make it a point to focus on your breathing during these stretches. Inhale deeply as you stretch and exhale as you relax into the position. This not only helps with your physical flexibility, but also calms your mind. It's a moment of peace before you dive into the busy day ahead. After just 1 week of this morning stretch routine, you'll likely notice some great benefits. You might feel more energetic, less tense, and ready to take on your day. Plus, stretching can help improve your overall posture and reduce any aches you may feel throughout the day. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. Number 4. Limit social media use to 30 minutes a day. In today's world, social media can easily take over our lives. Scrolling through feeds can feel endless, and before you know it, hours have passed. This habit can lead to feelings of anxiety, distraction, and even isolation. To break free from this cycle, try limiting your social media use to just 30 minutes a day. It might sound challenging at first, but it can truly change your life for the better. Start by tracking how much time you currently spend on social media. Many apps can show you your daily usage, making it easier to see the reality of your habits. Once you know your current usage, set a goal to reduce it to 30 minutes each day. You can do this by choosing specific times to check your social media, maybe in the morning with your coffee or in the evening after dinner. Set a timer to keep yourself accountable. When the timer goes off, it's time to log off and focus on other activities. You'll find that limiting your social media use frees up time for more meaningful interactions. Instead of scrolling, you could read a book, go for a walk, or spend quality time with family and friends. After just 1 week, you'll likely notice a difference in your mood and mental clarity. You might feel less anxious and more focused on the things that truly matter in your life. So take the challenge. Reducing your social media time can lead to more peace and happiness. You'll be surprised at how much better you feel when you reclaim that time for yourself. Start today and enjoy the benefits of living a life less connected to your screen. Number 5. Meditate for 5 minutes daily. Meditation is a simple but powerful habit that can change your life in just 1 week. It helps calm your mind, reduces stress, and improves your focus. The best part? You only need 5 minutes a day to start seeing the benefits. To begin, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a park bench, or even your car. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body relax with each breath. Now focus on your breathing. Notice how it feels as the air enters and leaves your body. If your mind starts to wander, and it will gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't judge yourself for getting distracted. It's all part of the process. Just keep returning to the sensation of breathing. You can also use a guided meditation app or video if you prefer some help at first. There are many free resources available that can lead you through a short session. As you practice daily, you'll start to notice a shift. You might feel less anxious and more at peace. You could find it easier to concentrate on your tasks throughout the day. By the end of the week, meditation can help you develop a greater sense of calm and clarity. You'll likely notice that stressful situations don't affect you as much. This simple habit can make a big difference in how you feel and how you approach life. So, give it a try. Just 5 minutes a day can truly transform your mindset. Number 6. Read for 10 minutes every day. Reading is one of the simplest ways to enrich your life. Just by spending just 10 minutes a day with a good book, you can open your mind to new ideas and improve your knowledge. Reading helps you learn about different perspectives, cultures, and experiences, making it a powerful tool for personal growth. To get started, find a book that excites you. Could be fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or anything else that interests you. The key is to choose something you enjoy so that you look forward to reading it each day. Set aside a specific time, whether it's in the morning with your coffee or at night before bed. When you make reading a daily habit, you create a space for yourself to relax and escape from daily stresses. For those 10 minutes, put your phone away and focus solely on the pages in front of you. This time can help you unwind and clear your mind. Reading also has many benefits for your brain. It improves focus and concentration, which can help you become more productive in other areas of your life. Moreover, regular reading can even boost your vocabulary and writing skills, making it easier to express your thoughts and ideas clearly. At the end of the week, take a moment to reflect on what you've read. You might find that the new insights and ideas you've gained can inspire you in different ways. By dedicating just 10 minutes a day to reading, you'll not only gain knowledge but also discover a wonderful world of stories and lessons that can change your life for the better. So grab a book and start this simple habit today. Number 7. Plan tomorrow today. Planning your day the night before is a simple yet powerful habit that can change how you approach life. When you take just a few minutes at the end of each day to think about what you want to achieve the next day, you set yourself up for success. This practice helps you wake up with a clear direction, reducing stress and making your mornings much smoother. To start, find a quiet spot in your home where you can reflect. Take out a notebook or use your phone to jot down your thoughts. Think about the most important tasks you want to accomplish. Focus on 3 main things that will help you move forward, whether it's work-related, personal goals, or something you've been putting off. Writing these tasks down gives you a sense of purpose and helps keep you organized. Once you have your 3 tasks, take a moment to think about the best time to tackle them. Maybe you want to handle the most challenging task first thing in the morning when you're fresh. Or perhaps you'd prefer to save it for the afternoon when you have more energy. Whatever you choose, make sure to schedule these tasks into your day. By planning ahead, you'll notice a big difference in how you feel. You'll wake up knowing exactly what you need to do, which will help you stay focused and motivated. Plus, when you complete your tasks, you'll feel accomplished, giving you a boost of confidence. In just 1 week of this practice, you'll find that you're more productive, less stressed, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So tonight, take those few minutes to plan tomorrow. You'll be glad you did. In just 1 week, you have the power to change your life by adopting these 7 simple habits. Each habit is easy to implement and offers significant benefits. Starting your day with cold showers can boost your energy and resilience, while practicing daily gratitude helps shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life. By stretching every morning, you'll increase your flexibility and feel more awake, while limiting social media use will free up time and reduce stress. Taking just 5 minutes to meditate daily can calm your mind, and reading for 10 minutes will expand your knowledge and inspire you. Finally, planning your day the night before sets you up for success, making your mornings smoother and more productive. Remember, the key to making these habits stick is consistency. Even small changes can lead to big results when you commit to them every day. By focusing on these 7 habits for just 1 week, you can create a positive ripple effect that extends beyond those 7 days. So, take the challenge. Start today and observe the changes in your mood, energy, and overall outlook on life. We'd love to hear about your journey, so share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and transformation. Let's embark on this journey together and see how these habits can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life.